Hi guys, today is Monday, June 15 and ipiprepare ko yung mga gamit ng pamangkin ko dahil ako yung hatid sa kanya sa school. So tara, check natin kung ano yung mga ipiprepare. Nagkakape na nga pala ako ngayon. And then, ito yung mga gamit ng pamangkin ko. And si Kyle, tulog pa. Gisingin natin sa basement yung isa, si Jamie. Jamie? Jamie, get up. Let's go to school. This is Kyle and Jamie's breakfast. Spaghetti.
This is my breakfast.
Yeah, pandesal. Spam and egg. And we still have lots of pandesal here. Marami pang pandesal dito. Ayan. Ito, very good. Naubos ni Jamie ang breakfast niyang cereal. So we're gonna put this one dito. Very nice morning. Oo, very nice. Check muna natin sa labas bago pumunta ng school. Tingnan natin yung mga halaman kung malalaki na. It's growing. Balik na tayo sa loob. So, hatid na natin yan. Si Jamie.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's very cold outside, Kyle.
Okay.
Busy pa si Kyle, oh.
I'm bored.
Hmm? Sir, good? Yeah.
What's that sound?
Hmm?
What's that sound?
It's thunderstorm. It's getting gloomy, Kyle, oh. I think it will rain.
What's that sound? It's a door big swap. Sound here. I know
Yes.
this is up and then beep beep.
Kyle. Waiting for ate. Kyle, oh.
What's that sound?
Ha?
What's that sound?
From the truck.
Ate, we're first!
That one.
We're first!
Yeah. Jamie. We're going home. Huh?
Tita, It's an egg.
That's egg?
It's a bird's egg.
No, it's not. It's a boiled egg. Come na. It's your egg that you didn't eat. And we're home. You have very nice flowers, Jamie. I love it. See that? Oh, and Kyle woke up already. No soliciting, guys. So we're home. Maulan. Uulan today. Ayan. Kita niyo yung mga bata pagdating dito. Ayan. We have to fix everything. Ay, and we're home. Check natin sa kitchen kung ano pwedeng makakain ng mga bata. So, pagdating ng bahay, guys, may rice naman dito. And, yung mga tirang ulam, ano ba? Bread. So, walang ulam. I have to prepare food for the kids. Magpiprito tayo ng spam. Kasi favorite ng mga bata. Yan. Ito guys, since hirap ako dito, the proper way. Ito, hirap ako dito kasi natatanggal niyan. So what I do, nilalagyan ko ng butas dito. Then, open. Ayan. So, I open it. And may butas dito. So, ang gagawin ko is gaganin ko. Bublow ko dito. Okay. Yan guys. Yan. Diba? And I'll just have to cut it. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Ayan. So, medyo mainit na and wala pang pisik pala. Ayan. Ayan, rice. Tamang-tama na yung pagkasunog niya. Pagkaluto niya. Ayan. So, ito na yung kakainin ng mga bata. Healthy, di ba? Tawayin ko na. Kyle! Let's eat! What you want to eat? Pandesal. Okay. Right up. Ito na pandesal ni Kyle. Fresh from the microwave. Sir, this is your order, pandesal. And this one for the other princess. Jamie, eat your food. Ayan guys, so ito lang yung daily routine ko ngayon sa Canada. While I'm here with the kids. Ayan. Medyo madark-dark yung panahon today. And I think it will rain. So I love it. Hi, Kyle.
Hi.
What you gonna say?
It's getting dark. It's not rain.
It gonna rain now?
Yeah.
Let's check outside. Yeah. It's gloomy outside.
It's getting dark.
It's getting dark.